What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to make the output more structural and more concise and more efficient in the Notebook LM. So the link to the Notebook LM is in the description. Once you log into that, you will be redirected to this dashboard. Once you're on this dashboard, on the left hand side you will see all the sources that you have plugged in so far, and on the right hand side you will see the studio panel. So let me just clear this up, and you will see this huge screen where you can enter the prompt and ask anything. What's the core point of this? It will tell you everything, but if you need more structurized result, more structurized response from it, you have to give custom system instructions. So you can use Gemini for that, write the custom system instructions, or you can use the Claude in order to do that, as I have done so. And now what you guys can do is to add those system instructions. You will be wondering like, where can I add the system instruction in this? There is no prompt where, there's nowhere, and there's no prompt where you can add simply the system instruction. Over here, you will see three dots on the top right side, customize notebook option. Once you click on that, there will be set custom notebook summary. Just enable it and give the system instruction over here. And then press done, and boom, that will be saved. And now you will have a more structured response. This is pretty much it for the video. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye.